All right, 2.5, line of increasing and decreasing. Sections that are increasing and decreasing. Another feature of a graph is where they increase and decrease. When we talk about increase and decrease, we look at from left to right, left to right. These features are written using, guess what? Yup. Interval notations. Okay. This is a must. You guys okay over there? You have to look at the graph from left to right. But here's the confusing part. And only pay attention to the range. I hate this part. I hate this part so bad. Okay. You tell me, am I moving up or down? I'm going to move left to right, but you tell me if I'm moving up or down by looking at the range. Does that make sense? Yes? Okay. If I'm moving from left of the graph, I'm starting here at the arrow. Am I increasing or decreasing in my y-axis? That's in a decreasing interval. Yay! And then here? Increasing. And then? And then? And then? Does that make sense now? Okay, left to right, but you only look at the range. Okay? So, yeah. All right, so I'm going to highlight the parts you said they were decreasing. Here's a decrease, right? And then here's a decrease. And then here's a decrease, right? Did I miss any decreases? No? Okay. So let's number this one. This is going to be the first interval. It's coming from which domain? You're writing using domain for the increasing part. Knock it off. What's the domain here if it's an arrow? Negative infinity to, what's the value here? It looks like 0.5, negative 0.5. Yeah? So I would say negative 0.5, and they're both directional. They are not inclusive. Right where at negative 0.5, for that turning point, that value is neither increasing or decreasing, but it's up to that point. Okay? What? Okay. All right, so I'm using number 2. This one was number 1. This is the second decreasing, which is from what x value? It looks like it's from 2 to 3 point. I don't know if I should say half. I kind of want to say like 3 1/4. No? 3 point something. So here's the second segment that has a oh man, is this increasing? I'm writing it on the decreasing, my bad. I've been writing it on the wrong side. It should be on the right, my bad. Decreasing from 2, again, none of these are inclusive. 2 till 3.2. I made it up. 3.2 sounds great. Okay. Highest point to infinity to the right. So 3. This is segment 3. I'm going to write it as, what's that? 5. 5 to positive infinity. It's going to keep decreasing forever in that direction. How you doing? Information overload today. Yeah? We'll get a chance to practice a lot, okay? Increasing. I'm going to highlight in green, okay? We're going up this way, right? So, and then we go up this way. So how many segments of increase do we have? 2. So I'll number it. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 5. So here's 4. It's going to be from negative 0.5 to 2. Is that right? And none of them are brackets. None of them are inclusive. Yes.
Isn't it 4?
Increasing?
Yeah.
What's the x value there? You're only writing out the domain. So you're reading from left to right, but you're checking up and down. Does that make sense? I know, that's why it's so confusing. I told you this one was going to be the challenging one. 5. Okay, left to right. Looks like 3.2. Up to, what's the value there? It looks like 5. Am I looking at x value or y value to write out? X value, right? But you're looking at the trend on the range. You're looking at the trend on the y value, but you're writing out the x values. Which segment does that happen? Okay? Questions? Okay.